All right, you all. So this next one we are going to do is to Knockin. This is another one of Dre's. It's really, really fun. It's a shorter one, but it still gets your heart rate up, and it's great. So what it's going to do is start with the chorus, verse 1, chorus, verse 2, end with the chorus. Very simple. All we're going to do is learn the chorus. We're going to learn the verse because they're the exact same. So just know you're going to do chorus, verse 2, end with the chorus. So let's start it. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So you are going to swipe, 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 hit. Okay? So you're getting down those legs. You're like pulling the curtain away. Okay? So you're going swipe, 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 hit, swipe, swipe, swipe. Do it again. Swipe, 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 hit, swipe, 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 hit. Yes, good job. 4 times of those, okay? That's it. Remember, you're just in your legs. You are turning your knee in and swiping, okay? Moving on, you are going to use that core muscles, pump, use those arm muscles. You'll feel it in all upper body. So you are going to pump, 2, 3, 4, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Then the other side. Then you're going to start with your left arm. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to turn, turn, turn to the front. That's it for the chorus. It's very, very short, like I told you. Now, moving on to the verse. You're going to start with that right leg kicking up. So you're going to kick 1, 2, okay? So remember, kick 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you grew up with me, you remember the pancake, okay? So you're going to hit 1, 2, hey, 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 hey. 1, 2, hey, 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 hey. You can do whatever you want right there. Have fun with it. Just know you have 2 kicks, up, back, kick, kick, forward, back. Then we're going to do the other side. Kick 1, 2, hey, hey, kick 1, 2, hey, hey. From there, you are going to bring that knee to the elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you go right back to the chorus. Swipe, 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 hit, swipe, 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 hit. Easy, easy, easy. Let's go do this with the music. You are ready. This one's easy. It's fun. You know I get into it because it says Tyson with the fade, and I love it. So y'all go have fun with that one.